Hi guys. So once again we are going to the expo. I told last time that like the vlog itself was not that what do you say? It was not proper, There was a lot of mistakes and I did a lot of I didn't explain a lot of stuff which was there. So this time I'm going to make it better. I told it last time also, so I'm going to make it better. So I guess I'll see you guys there. So we are back in the same area and yes, I'm excited to go, and we have to visit new pavilions. Some pavilions we didn't go last time, like UAE we couldn't go last time. This time we have to enter. So I guess I'll check back with you guys after we check in. Yes, so we entered and yeah, we came. I think we came into the same area. Last time where we came. Yeah, I think it's the same area. So yeah, right now I'm getting my brother a ticket because he didn't have, and we checked, we only had 3 tickets. So even if he's not an adult, you still need a ticket, free ticket. Yo, we are back. Which all pavilions do you want to go, man? I don't know. I want to go to UAE. There was a lot of hype. This is like an expo map, right?
Is it the same thing?
Yeah, it is. Just take it.
That is Arabic.
Yeah. Okay, wait. I was mistaken. Okay, we didn't. Last time we didn't enter the same way. This is something different.
Yeah.
Last time when we entered, we saw Norway, right? This time nothing like that.
Now we came through mobility entrance.
Yeah, mobility gate. There's like different parkings. Like last time we parked in the opportunity gate, right? This time we did it in mobility. So building which you saw earlier, right? This building, we are trying to enter that. I don't know what exactly it is, but let's see. They're saying that they're giving tickets and stuff. Let's see once we enter. I don't know what it is. I have no clue. We entered, but I don't know what there is. What the hell? What is this? I have no idea what is this. What is going on? So now we need to go inside this. Let's see. This is what they're showing now. No idea. Oh guys, Imad, I can't see anything. This is elevating, right? I can't see anything. The hell, dude? The hell? Shit, unbelievable.
For Al-Hindu in the house of Islam, 9th century Baghdad. Al-Hindu helped introduce our current system of numbers to the world.
Yeah guys, this guy is a scholar. I don't exactly know what is his name, but he's like looking, there's like a model of the city Baghdad over there in that area. This is very interesting, guys. Ooh, what is that? I hope you guys read that. I think this is based on that. Wow, it looks nice. Abu Ubaid al-Bakri. That's this guy. He's an explorer, right? No, he's an Arab scholar. Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, they're showing something there. I wish there was an English explanation. Now it started. I just asked for English explanation and they started. Nice.
Founding task was clear. Then came the
These guys are all Arabian travelers, explorers,
by faith and
Yeah, they discovered a lot of stuff for Arabia, which is very important,
And finally,
Ahmad ibn Majid,
whose desire
another explorer, he made a book of useful information as the principles and rules of navigation. Look, they really made important discoveries in terms of navigation and exploration and stuff. So, yeah. Look how realistic their skin is, dude. Seriously. The delicacy in which they made this is amazing. I guess these guys were. Look at how realistic that is. I think they're pearl divers or something, or in the fishing business, I guess, because the atmosphere here is like an ocean, you know. All our sheikhs of our country, they are showing it here. Sheikh Zayed, a founding father of UAE. This guy is the greatest. He's so. This is Sheikh Rashid, another founding father of UAE. Stuff like that. Oh my god. Whoa. Connected world. Billions of products and data. Look at this. Amazing. Busiest airport is Dubai airport, you know, in the world. The hell? Oh, nice. Shit. It looks so good. I have no idea how they made this. That's UAE, guys. My god, amazing stuff, man. Flights, satellites. Oh, it's so amazing because not only is it visually amazing, but it also gives us information, you know, in the best way possible. So good. What is that? Self-driving cars are no longer a thing of future. Yeah, actually, driverless cars and all are already here, you know. People will say that in the future we'll get cars like that, but wrong, it's already here. It's amazing. Look at that. Hyperloop train will reach speeds of 1288 km per hour. Dude, how is that even possible? My god. No, what is Hyperloop? It's like a small metro which connects Dubai to Abu Dhabi, and you can reach within how much? I feel like within 5 or 10 minutes you will reach Abu Dhabi. That's how fast it is.
The digital world are closely linked together. Each changing
This guy is talking about AI, artificial intelligence and all. What all is it capable of? That's what it's explaining. So good, man.
Factory robots and space probes are AI driven. It goes into everything. From self-driving cars to fixing robots. AI lets us make smarter decisions. It helps us.
Look at this model of the astronaut, guys. Looks so realistic. They're showing something. Whoa. Shit. Did you see that? How cool is that? You just have to stare into that camera and it'll look like you're inside the helmet, you know. God, it's amazing stuff. UAE's first venture into another planet. Whoa. Shit. Into Mars, I guess. Wow. This is just a model, okay? Nice. If you guys want to read, just pause the video, you know, and read the entire thing so that you can get some background on stuff. In Mars, 1 day is 24 hours and 40 minutes. Yeah, it's not bad. It's close to Earth itself. What is going on, man? What the hell? It's unbelievable. City of the future. Guys, if you pause it, you can read it, okay? It's an important thing. It's a vision for the city of the future as created by children participating in a global competition. So this is an idea of what they think will a future city look like. Shit. Oh. Futuristic world city, huh? World which which we saw earlier when we first entered. Now she's here. Wow. This represents something, I don't know. Maybe her future self is embracing her older self, I guess. Yo boys. We're just taking a break for eating and stuff, so I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, so we got out of the Alif building thing. Now we're deciding which pavilion we should go to next. There's like nearby ones are, this is Australia, that one is Denmark, and which one is that? Oman, yeah, the other one is Oman. That one is Gambia. Yeah, like nearby pavilions. I haven't heard much about Australia, Denmark, Oman and stuff. You know, the popular ones are like Saudi, UAE and stuff. Saudi I've already gone. UAE I want to go badly, so yeah, we decided to go to Australia pavilion. We are waiting outside of it. There's some queue, there's some show or something going in, so there's like a big queue. Not a big queue, it's fine. So we entered Australia. What is this? Oh, nice, right? Oh. If we stand in front of it, people will come here. Oh, that guy went.
Thanks so much for coming today to the Australian Pavilion. I'm so excited to be able to share some of my favourite stories about Australia with you.
What is this? Optical illusions. I'm getting hypnotized. Oh, that thing, that gate just opened. Oh, it's like a 360 VR screen. It's not focusing this, so yeah. This is brilliant. Oh, this is like day and night in the forest. It's unbelievable because we don't have to actually go to the forest to experience the forest atmosphere, you know. We can just sit here in front of the screen and experience it. Oh.
The stars. Across cultures, there is much meaning and stories attributed to the night sky. First Nation Australians do next. The songs sung across the country are known as songlines, and the stories told cover vast lands. And the songline trade routes are as diverse as the landscape, waterways, and are mirrored in the sky. The wisdom past shows us solace and contentment, and a peace with how small but vital
Black hole, black hole.
we play, reminding us each season to nurture and protect our lands. For Kamilaroi peoples in the east, the Milky Way is called Warrnambool, meaning river, the place where
I have no idea what this is. Oh, this light is moving. What is happening? It's taking time to focus. I don't know why. Whoa. good, man. This is Australia, I guess.
Today is my day. Let's go.
Oh, she's there.
The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef.
Greatest, like, largest coral reef in the world.
Can you see the underwater robot spreading fertile eggs over the coral? This will help the reef
Oh,
grow.
it literally feels like we are moving upwards.
My
Awesome.
marine scientist friends, Peter and Matt, are preserving the reef for the future.
Oh,
We have lots of unique wildlife. Native wildflowers are found all
they're
over
talking
the
about their,
country.
culture.
We
What
need to
Australia is known
preserve the
known
reef
for,
the future.
their wildlife and stuff like that.
Professor Power is studying.
They're showing the city. Wow, looks beautiful. They're building the world's largest radio telescope in Australia. Whoa. Seriously, guys, it's amazing stuff. But Australia is like one of my favorite pavilions now. It's the second favorite for me actually. First is Saudi, second is.
There's my brother Seth.
So we finished Australia. Now we are entering Denmark. So let's see what is there inside this. Denmark doesn't look that fancy. I don't know. It looks almost empty, you know. The only worth thing showing in Denmark is this thing made of Legos. The ship, right? It's sad, man. Like inside, like there are stuff to read and stuff, but why can't they make it a little more interesting, like Australia? You know? That was not worth it. Yeah, baby, Sultanate of Oman. So the design looks not bad.
And so
It's actually a,
frankincense oil, just like this.
it's a type of hand sanitizer with some sort of oil.
Frankincense. Try to smell.
We entered Oman. Okay. What did they mean by this? I have no idea. Forest of Sustainability. I don't know. Is this kind of sustainable devil? I guess they're showing stuff like the wildlife conservation, and you know what is included in their culture and stuff like that. Oman botanic garden and stuff. Yeah, I guess it's fine. How do you feel about this pavilion? It's better than Denmark, right? Denmark kind of disappointed me, right? But Australia is amazing. Like Australia is one of my dream countries. I want to visit there once in my life. And that pavilion made me even more excited. This is Oman is fine, right? How did you like Australia? Imad doesn't speak anything normally, so so silent. I don't know why. He's tired, I guess. Route to the trade channel. What is this? I have no idea what this is. One of the land Frankinens. UNESCO World Heritage List. One of some of their old monuments or something, I guess.
passengers traveling to DXB, please proceed to the gate.
Photos and videos of people who worked for this pavilion, you know. It's cool, you know, they made like a tree structure, and inside that straight you can see full plants, like small plants planted, you know. That's cool. The first botanic garden in Oman and largest in the Arabian Peninsula. Oh, nice. So that is it with Oman. Now to the next pavilion. That is it, right? Welcome to the future happiness. It's written other way around here. Let's see what is here. I forgot to say this was the Finland pavilion. Okay. What is this? JetX develops and manufactures high quality respirators. They use superior protection. Oh, okay. That brand is originated from Finland, I guess. This is spinning around. This looks nice, I guess. From carbon dioxide. Presentation from 2 p.m. What the hell? Okay, I don't know what that is. Santa Claus has kindly lent us one of his notebooks which contains hundreds of years worth of Christmas wishes. Whoa. Nice. Guys, this is reindeer skin. Oh my god, I've never touched it before. It's so soft. Oh, guys, this is the waterfall thing you guys must have heard about. This is where I wanted to come for a long time. Last time when we came, we couldn't find it, but finally we are here. Oh. Imagine. Look at this. Oh. Oh my god. Shit, man. Guys, I'm going in. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. Oh shit. Oh my god. Unbelievable, man, unbelievable. Oh my god. The back of my pant is completely wet now. God. This was the best thing so far, man, in Expo. So much fun. Ah, baby. We're going to Russia. Another one of my dream countries. Look at the way it's built, man. It's so unique. I don't know what it represents, but it's amazing. Lit. Brilliant. We're going into Russia. Wow. Looks nice. This is what I'm talking about. When we enter itself, we need to have that ambience, you know, of that. It's like we are going to see something really cool. And Russia has that. I'm sure that something amazing is going to be there. Just wait. Whoa. Look, what did I say? I knew something cool was going to be. Whoa. Whoa.
The complexity of interacting is so special.
Shit.
If we're looking for a comparison,
They're talking about a human brain and stuff. How it functions. Whoa. The presentation is amazing, dude.
The creative mind
Looks
allows
awesome.
people to create. It gives us the power to set up and
It's lit, bro. The 2030 Expo is gonna take place in Moscow, Russia. Waiting for that. The mechanics of water. Look at this. This is like a book. You just have to touch it to turn it. Showing the show starts in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Maybe showing how we evolved over time, I guess. The way these things are working, it's unbelievable. Taj Mahal. Some other show started.
Our brain is the most complex phenomenon in the known universe. Complexity of the brain, both structural and functional, creates cognition.
This is splitting apart, guys. The brain. They're showing the working of the brain, I guess. So, Russia is done, and it was actually a really good pavilion. It's actually one of my favorites now. And we got the stamp too. By stamp, I mean that you'll get a passport. There are like small stalls which sell these kind of passports and all. If you buy that, you can get stamp from every country. So I think this is the end of part 1 of this expo trip because the video is too long, so I decided to split it. So I'll see you guys next time, I guess. Bye.